Hello my dear students, today we are going to start chapter 5 PowerPoint presentation. So we will be going to cover today what is introduction to MS PowerPoint, starting the PowerPoint, overview of PowerPoint screen, navigation pane, slide area, placeholder and view buttons. These all topics we will cover today. So let us start with introduction to PowerPoint. Now PowerPoint is related to presentation. What is presentation? Presentation means when you are explaining, the practice of showing and explaining the content of a topic to an audience or learner, right? Means when suppose I am giving a presentation, so I am showing something to explain you. Like right now what I am giving you presentation on PowerPoint. So that is called as presentation. So PowerPoint is used to make the presentations. Now where it is used in schools to give lectures, it is used in offices to give your presentations. So it is also used in many places. Now what is MS PowerPoint? It is a member of MS Office suite. I have told you that MS Office contains many members like MS PowerPoint, MS Word, Outlook, right? So these all are members of MS Office. PowerPoint is also a member of MS Office. What it does, it allows you to make professional looking presentations, and it is made up of series of slides. What is slides? I'll show you now. Now first of all, how to start the PowerPoint? Very easy. First step is click on start. Step 2, go to all programs. Step 3, click on Microsoft Office, and step 4, click on Microsoft PowerPoint. There are some other ways also to start the PowerPoint. Simple ways: go to search, type Microsoft PowerPoint, and then you will get the same. Now overview of MS PowerPoint screen. Now what things MS PowerPoint screen has? First is the navigation pane. Now what navigation pane does? It allows you to see a complete overview of your presentation. Means the complete overview of your presentation is given in the navigation pane. Where it is at the left of the PowerPoint window, and it is divided into two parts: slides tab and outline tab. The slide tab shows the miniature of each slide and used to drag slides up and down, whereas the outline tab, it is used to type the headings at different level of paragraphs. Okay, and you can also hide the navigation pane by clicking the cross button. It is not X, it is cross button, close. I'm going to show you. I'm on full screen mode right now, so I'm going back to my presentation. I'll show you where is the navigation pane. This is the left side and this is the navigation pane. This area is the navigation pane, right, on the left side. Now it is divided into two parts: slides and outline tab. This is slides tab. Whatever, now which slide tab is open? Slides tab. Now what slides tab contains? It contains our miniature of each slide. Miniature means small. Now see, same slide is given here, it is coming here big, but here it is small, miniature. Okay, so slide tab gives you miniature of all slides. Whatever slides you have in your presentation, all slides will be visible in the slides tab. Then you can drag the slides up and down. If I want this 5th to be 6th, 6th to be 7th, so I can do it easily. I can drag it. Next you have outline. Outline means whatever writing part, whatever content you have in the presentation, that will be shown using outline tab. See, now I have opened? Outline tab. Now instead of coming slides, what is coming? The content, the writing part of each slide. Okay, here it will be shown the name, number of the slide. First slide contains PowerPoint presentation chapter 5 grade 5. Second slide, topics to be covered today. What it is written, it is all written. So if we want to go through the slide, the content of the slide very fastly, so what we do is we go to outline tab and we have a look over it. So like this, these two are the roles of slides and outline tab. Again I am repeating it. This complete is navigation pane. Navigation pane is divided into two parts: slides and outline tab. And if you don't want this navigation page to be shown here, you can go click and click the cross button, it will go, right? So this was about navigation pane. Now again I am going to slideshow. Next is our slide area. Now what is slide area? It includes the actual slides where you add everything, text, pictures, charts. That is our slide area. Then we have placeholder. Placeholder are the boxes with dotted borders. In this dotted boxes, we contain the content is resided. Okay. Now again I am going to show you. Now see this area, complete area where the slide, this complete area means complete rectangular box is our slide area, right? Now once I click into it, you see dotted box appears. This dotted box is placeholder, means I have placed my text in this box, and there is one more placeholder here where I kept my text heading here. So this placeholder means the dotted box, and slide area means complete area where your slides are. Whatever you made on the slide, the complete area is called as slide area. Clear? Okay. Moving on to next, we have view buttons. Now view buttons, there are 3 view buttons. View means to see. Now there are different view buttons to see a slide in a different way. Okay, there are different views to see the slides in a different way. First is normal view. Normal view is the main view. Now currently I am on normal view only. Okay, I'm viewing the slide. I can go up, I can go down, right? Then slide sorter view. Slide sorter view will give you thumbnails. Thumbnails means in a very small miniature of the slides, you can say. And thumbnails means like a points, like you give points, no? Same way in the thumbnails of all slides. And in this view you can add, delete or change the order of slide also. Very important, slide sorter view. It gives you a thumbnails of all slides, and you can add, delete or change the order of the slides. Then you have slide show view. Slide show view is used to see the slides in full screen, like I was showing you the slides in slideshow. So these are the 3 views. Now I'm going to show you where it is. First of all, where the view buttons are present. So view buttons are present at the bottom of your screen. See my cursor, it is moving. The first is normal, second is slide sorter, and the third is slide show. So now see, I am going to click normal. Nothing will happen because we are already on normal view. I have clicked normal view, but as we were already on normal view, so nothing happened, right? Now we have slide sorter view. Once I click slide sorter, you can see now our slides came like a points. I have 7 slides in my presentation and all came 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? Now I want to change the order. Suppose I want 2 to be first and 1 to be 2. So what I'll do, I'll drag and drop and it will go. See, now topics to be covered today become our first slide, and introduction to PowerPoint becomes our second slide. So this way I can change order of the slides. Then I can add the slide. See, once I do right click, new slide. So here new slide added. If I want to delete a slide, see, I'm going to, and here delete the slide, right? So this way, this is the slide sorter view. I can arrange the slides, I can add the slide, I can delete the slide in this view, right? Now we are going to slide show. Slide show means in full screen. Now can you see the slide is coming in a big screen, full screen of the laptop, whatever the screen laptop has, the slide is coming on full screen, right? So this way what we did, we have done 3 view buttons, right? So again I'm going back. To go back again, go to bottom of the slide. You can click to normal view to come back on that view. Now I have changed the order, so I want to arrange the order again. First, second, third, fifth, sixth and seventh. This slide was I have given added in the slide sorter view. I'm going to delete it now, right? So this is the introduction to PowerPoint. Okay, main thing is